In 2021, the Kaduna State Government signed a partnership with Zipline, an aerial logistics company specialized in delivering medical commodities, to launch its operation in the state. This revolutionary new service will help in the delivery of emergency and efficient medical care services. The state government, Zipline officials and other stakeholders are gathered at Pambegwa in Kubwa, local government area of the state, to witness the flag-off ceremony.
I am pleased that the Kaduna State government and the people have responded swiftly and are the first state in Nigeria to benefit from our transformational innovation that will greatly contribute to achieving universal health for all.
This project is a significant step towards closing the gap in quality healthcare service delivery within the state. This is because it will significantly reduce the difficulty people experience in accessing essential medicines.
The initiative is one that is close to the heart of the state governor. He believes it will hasten the attainment of universal health coverage for its residents.
It is a safe, secure and effective technology that will help to advance our governance agenda to improve access for our people to decent health services. We are grateful to Zipline for choosing Kaduna State as the pilot for this innovative project. In collaboration with our National Sovereign Wealth Fund, the NSIA, we are building another cancer center that will, on completion and staffing, make Kaduna a foremost medical tourism destination within Nigeria and the ECOWAS sub-region for oncology and cancer management patients by 2023 by the grace of God.
The company handling the project says it is more than ready to deliver its services to the people of Kaduna and will be rendering aerial logistics services that focuses on delivering medical commodities to remote areas.
The road was long, but it is also because each one of these agencies cares extremely about the safety of Nigerians. And that is something that we need to appreciate a lot.
This partnership between the Kaduna State Government and Zipline Medical Drone Delivery Service is said to be the first of its kind in Nigeria and is expected to increase access to healthcare services across the 23 local government areas of Kaduna State.